Okay, my name is Luiz Pimenta. I'm from Brazil, Sao Paulo is where I do my surgeries, but I also work half the year in San Diego, California. And I've been co-director of this course for the last maybe 8 years or more. And what I like in this course is the mixture between people from Europe and US talking about MIS surgery and other technology related to MIS. It's not only a practical, theoretical course, but has a lot of cadaveric training and also a lot of time to discuss. So every single talk allows another 10 minutes for discussion, which allow us to have a very broad interaction between different minds, different surgeons, different ideas. I really like the course.
So you've been co-director for the course for a while. What do you see for the future for things?
I think the future will bring more and more technology. Right now, technology is like a new toy. Sometimes it's beautiful but not very practical. But with the time, the only toys that will keep in place is the one that prove help for surgeons.